Sit or lie down in a comfortable position. Close your eyes or let your gaze soften. Take 3 slow, deep breaths and follow the steps that I'm going to outline in this video. Let yourself feel at ease in the present moment. Slowly take in your surroundings. Recognize your thoughts, feelings, and physical sensations. Name your feelings out loud or silently to yourself. Observe your experience as if watching a movie. Let your thoughts, feelings, and sensations come and go as they are. Let go of any judgment. It's okay to feel however you're feeling. You may tell yourself, this is how it is right now. What words are going through your mind? What emotions are you feeling? And where are they coming from? How are these feelings experienced in your body? Sense the most vulnerable part of yourself and reflect on what it needs, such as acceptance, forgiveness, love, or belonging. Be kind towards your experience. Give yourself a comforting message, such as, I love you, you are okay, or anything else you need. Think of a friend, family member, pet, or maybe a spiritual figure, and imagine their love flowing to you. Let in healing and compassion until you feel calm and centered. Take 3 more slow, deep breaths and continue to be mindful and kind to yourself throughout the rest of your day.